Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to cover something that's absolutely essential for anyone who works with spreadsheets, a beginner-friendly introduction to Google Sheets. Specifically, I'll walk you through exactly how files are saved in Google Sheets, which happens a little differently than in old-school programs like Excel, and how you can confidently open your saved files when you need them. By the end of this video, you'll have no worries about losing your work, and you'll be able to easily find all your spreadsheets, whether you're on your laptop at home or just checking in from your phone. Alright, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. If you're already in Gmail, you're in the perfect spot. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a grid made up of 9 little dots. This is sometimes called the App Launcher or the Google Apps menu. It's a bit like a doorway to all the tools Google offers. Go ahead and click on those dots. Take a moment, no rush. And you'll see a panel drop down with a bunch of colorful icons for different Google services. Here, look for the one that says Google Sheets. It's usually a green icon with a tiny grid, and it might not be in the first row, so feel free to scroll down a little bit if you don't see it right away. Once you open Google Sheets, you'll have the option to start a brand new spreadsheet or open one of your existing files. If you already have some sample data saved, you can click to open that file. Here, where Google Sheets really shines, one of its best features is the built-in automatic save. Unlike older programs where you have to remember to hit save every few minutes, Google Sheets takes care of this for you. That means as soon as you type anything in a cell, maybe a number, a note, or even just a small change, Google Sheets is already working behind the scenes to save your work. You can actually see this in action. Try typing something in any cell and then take a look in the top left corner of the window right next to the name of your file. You'll notice a little message pop up that says saving, and right after it'll change to all changes saved in Drive. This is your confirmation that your data is safe in the cloud. No more worrying about computer crashes or accidentally closing a file without saving. Google's got you covered. If you're someone who gets anxious about losing your work, this tiny detail can really give you peace of mind. Now, if you want to open a file you've previously worked on, it's just as easy. From the main Google Sheets homepage, you'll see a list of your recent documents. Simply click on the one you want to open and it'll load up exactly where you left off. And since Google Sheets saves everything instantly, you never have to deal with confusing versions or wonder if you have the latest update. So that's the basics. By understanding how Google Sheets handles saving and opening files, you can focus on getting your work done instead of worrying about file management. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more tips about Google tools, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future how-tos. I've got a lot more coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.